So there's been on the online discussion some talk about cleaning up these greasy commercial style windows where these seals have sort of a lubricant that comes from the factory. You can kind of see how nasty that is. That's basically just grease. So the method that I've come up with that works the best, and I've probably done 10,000 of these over the years, is using a slightly damp microfiber. And you can see how easy that is. You can see it just collects all that grime right off the seal. See that? So it just takes a quick wipe, even where it's really nasty like this. Just pulls that grease right off. Leaves that seal nice and clean. And on glass like this, you'll a lot of times see the grease on the glass itself. So I will actually wipe down the whole window with a microfiber, because just scrubbing it, or scraping it, or using steel wool just isn't as effective as this method. Microfiber will literally pull that stuff right off the glass. And a lot of times what I find is once this process is done, nothing else needs to be done other than a quick clean. The microfiber is aggressive enough that it'll take off any residue, any grease that's made it onto the glass, any adhesive from maybe a sticker or whatever might be on there. So no scraping necessary, no steel wool, just simple clean. You can see that glass is pretty much perfect. There's a few spots that I'll probably have to go back and touch up real quick. But essentially that's perfectly clean now. And that grease is completely gone. So I've tried a million different ways over the years, but this is the best method I've found for this style of commercial glass.